Hi, and in today's video, I have an income idea for you. So we all know about the financial markets, but for most people, it's a minefield to know what to buy and sell. And if you're looking at stocks, you're only buying with the hope that it's going to go up in value. To a normal person, it's not easy to benefit from falling prices. Darwinex is a regulated online broker with an interesting proposition for people looking to invest their money. People trading on the platform have the ability to be turned into an asset if their trading is doing well, and investors can invest in them. These assets they call Darwins. Darwins increase in value if the trader account continues to rise, and the investor can benefit from this. To date, over $55 million has been invested into Darwins, and there are over 2,000 such registered Darwins on the platform. The benefit of investing in this platform is that traders can make money in both rising and falling prices, unlike buying stocks. Also, a trader needs to have run their trading system for a while, build a track record, and have a decent performance before they're allowed to become a Darwin. This helps weed out those trading systems which have just been lucky through a few number of trades. As an investor, you can look at the past performance of these Darwins and decide to invest. Since you're looking, have a look at my Darwin, YFC, which has a 2-year track record and has been doing well so far this year in 2020 since I started using trading robots. Every month it competes in the Darwinia or Darwin IA contest against the other 2,000 Darwins, and the highest it's achieved is position 24 earlier this year. In the next part of this video, I'm going to show you around the Darwinex platform and set up a virtual portfolio of Darwins. Try it for yourself, and if you like what you see, you can invest in this platform. This is the website which I want to show you. So it is called Darwin, I think it's pronounced Darwinex.com. I could be pronouncing it wrong, but this is how you spell it, Darwinex.com. And it essentially is a broker for trading. But what it does have is this investing part, this investing traders, where you can invest, put your money in traders rather than follow along with how they're doing with their trading. You are actually trading the trader. So the better the trader does, the more you earn on your money, and it's less volatile doing it this way. And I thought this is an excellent way. You can do it in demo, so that's what I recommend. If this is all I'm doing is really just identifying an opportunity that you can follow, and if you do like it, then do the demo, test it. Yeah, you can make money from it, hopefully. So do have a look for the website. Obviously, if you don't know anything about trading, then you don't need to know anything about trading. I'm only interested in showing you the investing part. So if you click on the investing part, and then what you need to do is invest in Darwins. So Darwins are the people, the traders who are trading on the platform, but and it is a little bit confusing, but you soon understand. Hopefully I'll run through it and it will make sense. So let's click on invest in Darwin. So these are the traders. Okay, go to the platform, and then what you should see, hopefully, is a whole bunch of Darwins, which are the individuals, right? And this shows you, how much is invested in each of these Darwins. So these are the top 20 Darwins in terms of number of investors. So these are the top 20, and you see the performance. So number 1 is THA, and if you click on that, and you can see that this person has pretty good 5-year track record, which just gives you confidence that it will be there for a while. And you can read all about it, and depending on when you traded or when you started. So let's have a look here. So in 2007 actually was when the Darwin was created. So if you say put in your investment, it would have just, this is the equity curve that it would have followed all the way up here. So if it was up here to start off with 140, it's gone up to 390, so you would have had an amazing return on your money. Now what I do like about this is that you can have a demo account, you have a live or demo. So start off with demo of $10,000, And if you like the look of this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to invest in these Darwins. So the top 5, I'll chuck in $2,000 each. So you go trade, and you put in, so amount to buy. So we're going to buy $2,000 worth. Let's buy $2,000 worth. Go to portfolio. That should be there now. Now you can see that I've got 8,000 left here. Invested 2,000, and it's my Darwin. So I'm going to do the same thing. Going to go and look at the other Darwins, and we will put 2,000 in each of the top 5. So this one here, buy 2,000. Buy that one. I'm not going to go to portfolio this time, so I'm going to close that. Go straight into the next one. Okay. And then the last one here. Okay. So that should do it. And now I will go into the portfolio. So this is the portfolio, and pretty much you just have to leave it now. This is where we're at, and we'll check this every month to see how it's done. But yeah, put into the 5 most invested. But if you go to Darwin, you can change it. You can look for these filters. So this is the one that we were looking at, most investors. You look at good scores, the one with good percentage, or the ones which are doing well at the moment, and you can browse through, find the ones which match your criteria, and invest. And I do have my own Darwin here, which I'll show you, which I started a long time ago. Actually, let's go back to Darwin's. There is a 3-letter code for it, which is that YFC. And this is how my Darwin has done. So initially it didn't start off that well. 2008 is when I started, but it got listed in April this year, so it got listed from there, but it's been doing quite well since. I'm sure there are other better Darwins than mine, so don't necessarily look at mine, but you can if you want to. And there's been some allocation of funds here. So the great thing about this is, if you do fancy having a go at this, if it does well, then you get some allocation of funds allocated to yourself, which is then attached to your account, which you can then trade. So that is what I want to show you very simply. There is a lot more. There is a lot more information on this website. So yeah, you feel free to explore it, but pretty much just want to show you the basics of this platform and how you can use it to invest.